Alright, so this is Unit 2 Work in Progress, and basically this is the little crate that I made. I say little, it's actually almost as tall as the character. And let's see, we'll open this side. You can see this giant mass of bones that are connected to everything. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. There are a couple of UVs that are a little stretched. I could not get the shadow map to cooperate with me as well as I would have liked, but that's okay. It looks fine in the end. Some repeating patterns, but again, it's destructible, so don't pay too much attention to it. Played around with making some decals this week. Let's see. You can probably see it a little better if it was on a cube. Maybe let's move the light around. No, you can't really see it too well on that, but you can see it fine in game. So instead of just putting one box in the level, I went ahead and stacked a few other ones. You can kind of see what happens with the basketballs and their physics, how they bounce. Generally lose about half or a little more than half of their bounce, what I kind of saw. So here's our giant stack of boxes, just for the fun of it. I'm gonna go ahead and kick a basketball into it. Let's see, about right there. And it falls as it should. Got a decent weight on all the boards, so it kind of feels like a board. Not too heavy, but they're not too light either. And I figured I'd set them up just like this because, well, a bunch of boxes is better than just one box. It looks a lot cooler when you destroy it. So, shoot it from anywhere. So, alrighty. Well, there's another little decal too, just for the fun of it. But really liked figuring out how to do the decals. I know this was a physics project, but really like doing the decals because it definitely breaks up the level a little bit more. Now, one of the problems that I had on this project was the first what do you call it, crate that I made. Actually, there was a problem with the skinning of the bones to each of the boards. If I can find my, probably overlooking it. Let's see. Epoxy physics. Yeah, so the skinning was wrong, and a lot of these actually had just a straight square box around it, which would cause collision with everything else and not give an accurate representation of the board. So I had to completely get rid of that and make another one that's a little bit more simplified but still gets the point across. So I think it looks pretty cool in the end. So that is my progress for the week. Thanks for watching.